Far up north, Buckland sits by the river, just south of the Arctic Circle. There are no roads, only planes or snow machines bring you in. Life here moves with the seasons, shaped by endless summer days and long dark winters. Buckland is more than a dot on a map, it's a home built on connection and heart. The Buckland River is the village's lifeblood, a highway in summer and a frozen road in winter. In summer, boats glide over the water as families fish for salmon and sheefish, gathering food for the year. The river connects people to the land and to each other. When winter comes, the river freezes solid and snow machines travel its icy surface. The world turns white and silent, but the snow is not an obstacle. It's a way to reach distant hunting grounds. The Arctic seasons are extreme, endless daylight in summer, deep darkness in winter. The midnight sun brings energy and long days for gathering, fixing, and berry picking. Winter's darkness is a time for community, storytelling, and reflection. The northern lights paint the sky, a magical gift of the Arctic night. The land is alive with wildflowers in summer, and the silence of winter is profound. These changing seasons are not just a backdrop, they are the rhythm of life. People adapt, celebrate, and prepare together, always in tune with the land. The landscape shapes every day, every tradition, every story. In Buckland, nature is not just scenery, it's a partner in survival. The Arctic's beauty and challenge are woven into the fabric of life here. This is a place where the land and people move as one. Buckland is home to the Inupiat people, whose culture is ancient and alive. The Inupiat language is spoken, taught by elders to the young, carrying wisdom through generations. Culture here is lived daily, in the way people speak, the food they share, and the values they uphold. Elders are honored as living libraries, teaching respect for nature and the importance of sharing. Hunters take only what they need, using every part of the animal, understanding their place in the ecosystem. When a hunter brings home a seal or caribou, it's shared with the whole community. This act of sharing is the heart of Inupiat identity. The school teaches traditional dances, songs, and crafts, ensuring the culture thrives. Children learn to sew with animal skins, prepare traditional foods, and listen to stories that teach survival and respect. Festivals and gatherings celebrate identity, bringing everyone together in dance, song, and story. The community works hard to preserve its heritage, blending tradition with daily life. Inupiat culture is not a relic. It's a living, breathing force in Buckland. The heartbeat of this culture is strong, steady, and proud. Here, tradition and modern life walk side by side. Buckland's spirit is rooted in its people and their enduring way of life. In Buckland, life is tied to the land and the seasons, a true subsistence lifestyle. People hunt, fish, and gather much of their own food, passing down skills and knowledge through generations. Spring means seal hunting on the sea ice. Summer brings salmon fishing. Fall is for caribou. These are not hobbies, they are essential for survival. Hunting and fishing are community efforts, and a successful hunt is shared by all. Sharing food builds trust and ensures no one goes hungry. Celebrations mark successful hunts and first catches, with feasts of muktuk, dried fish, and caribou soup. Drumming, dancing, and storytelling honor ancestors and pass on tradition. Modern tools like snow machines and GPS blend with traditional knowledge of the land. The internet connects Buckland to the world, but tradition remains at the core. Old and new work together, helping the community thrive in the Arctic. Every day is a balance of adaptation and heritage. The land provides and the people honor its gifts. In Buckland, survival is a shared journey. This is a life lived with the land, not apart from it. Buckland's greatest strength is its sense of community. People face challenges together, harsh weather, scarce supplies, and the vastness of the Arctic. Neighbors check on each other, share meals, and raise children as a village. Pride in home and heritage runs deep. The community solves problems together, from fixing water pumps to searching for lost hunters. This spirit of cooperation is the invisible thread holding Buckland together. Buckland is a treasure, a place where ancient culture and wild landscape thrive in harmony. The Inupiat way teaches respect for nature, sustainability, and the power of community. In a fast-paced world, Buckland reminds us of the value of connection and tradition. But the Arctic is changing. Climate change threatens the land and the Inupiat way of life. Protecting Buckland means protecting its environment, language, and traditions. The world can learn from this resilient community. Buckland is more than a remote village. It's a vital part of our shared heritage. Its story deserves to be known, cherished, and protected. In Buckland, the spirit of the Arctic endures for generations to come.